So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure you have Outlook fully closed. So in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. If you see Outlook right here, you want to right click on it and then click on quit. And now to fix this problem, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in Outlook. Now you want to click on app settings. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on repair. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, you want to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure your time zone is correct. You have set time automatically turned on. Then you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time has been fully synced up. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. And then after you fully update your computer, now you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to click on downloads. And now if you see Outlook right here, you can then update it. There might be like an update for you, and you can click on update. See if that works for you. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down till you find Outlook. Here it is, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall Outlook. And now you want to head over to the Microsoft Store again, search for Outlook, and then just re-download it again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.